Hello there, wonderful viewer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a dumpling recipe, and this is called fufu in my local language. It is fufu made out of cassava and plantain. That is raw cassava and plantain. It tastes really good with okra soup or thick pepper soup or any soup of choice. If you are curious, please stay tuned as I show you step by step how to go about it. On my ingredient list, I have some cassava. So this is how cassava looks like. Okay, it's a tuber just like potatoes, but it's not potato. Okay, so we have cassava. This is one tuber of cassava and one plantain. So I'm going to also chop the plantain as I chop the cassava as well. Some salt and water. These are just the ingredients that we need for this fufu. Okay, now I'm going to cut the plantain and blend these two ingredients together with some water. So with my blender set, the plantains are already in. I add in the cassava as well. Some water, just a little bit of water. The batter has to be a thick one. Okay, so let's say 1 cup of water and some salt. Okay, a little bit of salt. You can add the salt now, you can add it when cooking. I like to add a little bit now, and then as I cook, if it is not enough, I add. Okay, so now we're going to cover this up and blend it into a smooth batter. Our batter is all set and smooth. Okay, so pour this into your cooking pot and start cooking. It's all set, so just add it to your pot and set it on the stove. You don't need to add water to this. Okay, as it cooks, you sprinkle in water if need be. Okay, so we're going to allow this to start bubbling up, and we should be mixing it continuously as it cooks. So use a wooden spoon for this. Okay, today the weather is looking so nice, so we're enjoying cooking outdoors. Keep stirring, you should not stop. You stir until it becomes the dough that you're looking for, the dumpling that you're looking for. It's starting to thicken up. Keep stirring until it is completely cooked and it is all set. So we are getting there. You can see it is thickening up and the color has started changing. Okay, so we're gonna stir more and it is all set. Finally, it's all set. You can see how the color is. The elasticity is still there. So you can make balls of it or just take a piece and put on your plate and enjoy with super kanja or okra soup as we will be doing. There you have it. It's all set. So as you can see, we're having this with okra soup. It is delicious. All I did was put it in a round bowl to get that shape, and it is ready to go. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.